creating professional contrast, client acquisition, the relationship cycle. I mean, how many times have you heard me talk about these things? Well, there's a reason I stay on message. When you use the same language, it becomes part of your process and your professional brand. And I bet you have talking points and ways you describe concepts to your clients as well. Well, try making a list of your most important messaging. When you're done, you'll have built yourself a content list. Your key messaging can be the backbone of your video marketing plan. Now, you just need to get recording. If you need help creating video that create professional contrast, activate client acquisition, and will drive your enterprise value, see how I did that? I'd encourage you to get to know the video marketing team at Decanter.